Let me share with you how to make a twice-cooked pork belly that is a truly irresistible. This is the kind of dish that will make your family see your cooking in a wonderful new light, especially when you serve it for a special occasion. We begin with about 500 grams of fresh pork belly. Place it in a pot and cover it completely with a cold water. Add 1 spring onion, a few slices of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Bring this to a boil and let it cook for 30 minutes. This gentle boiling makes the meat tender and easy to slice later. After 30 minutes, remove the pork from the pot and let it cool on a plate. While it cools, take 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, and half a large onion. Slice all of them into even pieces so they cook at the same rate. Once the pork belly is cool enough to handle, use a sharp knife to cut it into thin, consistent slices. A4 pieces about 3 milliliters thick. This is the perfect thickness for getting a nice texture later. Place a wok or a large pan over a medium heat. There is no need to add wine. Carefully add the pork slices to the dry pan. Let them cook gently, stirring occasionally until they become slightly crispy and golden and have released a good amount of their own fat. This process makes the pork rich but not greasy. You will see a generous amount of liquid fat in the pan. Carefully pour most of this excess oil out, leaving just about 1 tablespoon behind to cook with. This simple step ensures your final dish is flavorful but not heavy. To the pork in the wok, add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of chopped parts and chilies. Then add 1 full tablespoon of fermented bean paste and half a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Increase the heat to high and stir fry for 1 minute until the air is filled with a deeply savory and spicy aroma. Now add the sliced green and red bell peppers and the onion to the wok. For seasoning, add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, and another half tablespoon of light soy sauce. Continue to stir fry over high heat until the vegetables are cooked but still have a pleasant crunch. Turn off the heat. Add 1 large handful of chopped garlic greens to the wok. Their fresh, sharp flavor is the perfect finish. Give everything just 3 or 4 quick toasts to combine everything well without overcooking the greens. Transfer everything to a serving plate. What you have created is a dish that is incredibly fragrant, perfectly spicy, and glistening with savory goodness. It is a truly impressive and heartwarming meal that is sure to become a family favorite.